Welcome to FX Options University, recorded live at the International Securities Exchange, the world's largest equity options exchange. Join the industry's top trading professionals as they provide insight and strategies for trading in the currency markets using FX options. FX options are a low-risk alternative to hedging currency moves in any market condition.
Now we'll have a look at some technical patterns which are sometimes useful to find to anticipate volatility breakouts. We have here channels, three kinds of channels: the ascending channels, the descending channels, and the range. The range is an horizontal channel. This is a pattern where you can find where the volatility is the lowest, because traders don't know, market makers, option market makers, don't know where the price will go. So the price go from up to down without any clear trend. So that's why this is what we call a range. So that's why volatility in this case is very low, because markets are in a kind of uncertainty, and people don't really know what investors don't really know what the future will be, so they don't want to take risk, and they don't take risk. So they don't trade a lot, and the prices move to up to down, but without any clear direction. This is not the case of an ascending channel or a descending channel. These two kinds of, in the case of ascending channel, the trend is clear. This is an uptrend. As you can see on the bottom of the channel, the lower boundary, there are successive higher lows. So it means, and you can draw a parallel to this trend, and then draw this kind of bullish channel. And in this case, the volatility is sometimes is higher than in a horizontal channel, because the trend is clearly identified. So maybe if you want to enter a long position in this case of trade, try to enter during a consolidation phase in this case, but with a tight stop loss, because if the price breaks below this level, the volatility will increase, and your stop loss will be reached quicker than expected. So this is exactly the opposite for the descending channel, but this is also a pattern where the trend is clearly identified by the market, and maybe will pay sometime an higher price than usual. Now I will turn to, for me, the most interesting pattern to play during volatility, to play volatility options. These patterns are triangles, especially symmetrical triangle, because sometimes just after a range of this kind, the range is transforming itself in this kind of symmetrical triangle. And in this case, the range, in fact, there is no previous trend, so we don't know where the market will go. There is no trend. The range is tightening in this kind of triangle. And triangles are very interesting patterns, because targets are really well identified. And as we can, it is very easy to find the targets. You take the base of the triangle, just here, for example, in the case of an ascending triangle, and you report this this height to the resistance and from the base of the breakout, and you have your target. This is exactly the same for the descending triangle. Take the base until the support, and once the support is broken down, you can find the target. And this kind of pattern is often works very well. And so to come back to a range which is transforming itself into a kind of symmetrical triangle without a trend, you can see that the width of the triangle is going down. And at this point, in many cases, you know that a volatility break will occur. So what we do is to take position before either the upper boundary or the lower boundary is broken. So at this stage, volatility will be very low, very low, and you will then can find very cheap options. And once the breakout occurs, the volatility will jump, and your price option, especially out of the money option, will jump very quickly. I wanted to show some examples from my desktop, but I'm having some problems with my software, so I will try to find out how to share the previous chart Cyril provided you the last time, and to check if he was right to do so. But I guess he was right. Let me hold a second, please. Okay. Okay. Steve, do you see my chart?
I do, Christophe. Looks great.
Great. So this is not my trading platform, but I'm having some trouble. It happens sometimes. Only to me, I think. But it's another kind of problem. So this is I saved the charts from the previous webinar with Cyril Bercock in the mid of January. This was his anticipation of the AUX IAC ticker for the Australian dollar, US dollar against Australian dollar. As you can see, it was, I think it told you the last time that if the pair was shaping a kind of rounding bottom, you can see there. I can't draw on this chart, I'm sorry, because there was a well-identified support, as you can see, at 100x, and it was there was a risk to be long at this stage, because the chart was the prices were close to the support.
Thank you for participating in this week's session. Please join us again next week. Get trading ideas, exchange rates, webinars, news, and commentary. Visit www.fxoptions.com. ISE FX options can be easily traded through all options-enabled brokerage accounts and have a European-style exercise.